Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to link my Capital One card to my bank account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to type in capitalone.com. As you can see, this is their official website. So next we're going to sign in using the username and password. So once we do that, this is the page that's going to come. Then we're going to click on our account. Then as you can see, there's an add an external account page. Then we're going to add an account. So this is the way we're going to do it. So here in the help center, you guys can use the following instructions. So first we're going to sign in. After we sign in, we're going to select the checking account we're using now. Then we're going to choose account service and settings, then select switch spending account under the manage debit card tab. Then select the account you'd like your debit card to spend from, then click on switch spending account. Then this is the process you guys are going to use to link your Capital One card. I hope this video was a help for you guys. Subscribe for more, share for more, like for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.